Hello, everybody. It's Dark Matter with another exciting video. Alright, guys. Today's video is a YouTube cross-channel challenge. Alright, and for March, it is water. Alright, that's the theme, water. Okay. Now, we're supposed to make something out of water. And I thought, well, I got a piece of cherry from my last project, the rose, which was February's project. I'm going to use that. And, waste not, want not, right? Okay, well, I tried to make this video as short as I could. I mean, it was like 6 hours of video. Because I wanted to try to keep the video fairly short, even though it's still like 10 minutes long. There's just no easy way to video a carving like this, or any carving for that matter, because it takes so long to carve. And what you're seeing here now has been sped up 32 times already. And so, I don't know how people do it and only speed it up like 4 times. They must cut out a lot. That's all I can say. And, well, I try not to cut out too much. This particular video, I cut out a lot. Well, at least I thought I did, and whatnot. But it's for the water challenge, so I mean, I think I did okay. So you tell me what you think down in the comments. What you thought of the video, and whether or not you liked it, because yeah, I normally do it differently, and I'm trying new things. I'm trying to make these videos somewhat watchable, where people actually want to watch them. So that's the thing about carving videos, well, in my case anyway. Usually after you guys come and watch it, they sit dormant for years, and maybe once in a while, occasionally, someone will watch them, but they don't get watched a lot. And so basically, I do the carving videos for myself, and my family, in case they want to come and check out some of the work I did or something, or if somebody wants me to make something for them and they want to see some of the stuff I've done. Like I said, occasionally someone will watch them on YouTube, but usually after all my friends that are subscribed to me come and watch, usually they sit dormant. So, I'm not sure if it's just the type of video it is, or if it's the way I do the videos. So, it is what it is. Anyway, this was a fun project. I had a lot of fun doing it. I was going for like a nautical theme, as you can see, seashells and the stem that runs up underneath the water there, the handle of the spoon. That's supposed to be coral. I'm not a great painter, okay. I did my best, to make things look like they should look, like I thought they should look anyway. And I think it turned out okay. I wouldn't eat with a spoon, even though you probably could. I wouldn't. It's more for a decorative type thing, but yeah, I think I did all right with the water challenge. I've seen a lot of cool things being made for water. Water was tough. I've seen a few people do the water project, and water was tough. So it is what it is, I guess. Jordan did a great job at picking something hard for real. And it's funny. It should have been pretty easy because water can take any shape or form. You know what I mean? So, but it was the whole what do I do that got me. And I kind of already knew what I was gonna do. Because I wanted to carve a spoon even before I knew there was a water project. And then when Jordan said water, I was like, okay, well, we can try to do something with that. And I've done a nautical scene before. I carved a ferro rod for my buddy Bluefin, um, Mustang 774, and that was a nautical scene. That turned out really cool. You should check that video out. Um, I'll put a link to it in the description below if you want to see it. And tell me what you think of that if you want. You don't have to, but but yeah, it turned out pretty. It turned out pretty okay. Um, I was trying to get them paints to blend, and they did blend. They blended, but not the way I wanted them to. You know what I mean? You ever tried to do something and you know how to do it, and no matter what you try to do, it just don't turn out the way you want. You vision it in your head. Well, that's what happened here with the water. Because I put that yellow in there and some blue, and it turned out kind of a greenish, an aqua green color, and I liked that. And I was hoping it would bleed more through the blue, but it didn't really. It really didn't. A little bit, and you can't really pick that up too much here in the video. You know, it isn't showing like you see it in person. Uh, but it turned out all right. And then after it was finished, I coated it with a clear like glitter paint, fine glitter paint. It's called glitter dust. And put all them fine little sparklies in it, and it looks really pretty that way. It gives it kind of a wet look. You know what I mean? And yeah. Now, if I was going to completely finish this, I would have put a couple coats of lacquer on it and called it good. But I don't have any intentions on finishing it any more than what it already is. What you're seeing right now, and I'm just trying to get that glitter to show up in the film right there because it doesn't show up too well at far away. I just wanted you to see that sparkly dust paint that I put on there and give you a good close up of the carving and whatnot. So it turned out pretty. It turned out all right. Um, yeah, I wouldn't have wanted to do a whole set, that's for sure. I think I had the hardest part. The hardest part of this whole carving was some seashells. I'm not sure I captured them correctly, and when it came to painting them, well, uh, I did my best. All right, guys, there's my project for March, and I hope you liked it. And I think I captured the water thing pretty good. And well, you know, you know, it was a carving. I hope I made it short enough for you guys to tolerate, and I hope you liked the outcome. If so, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And, get in on the next project for the YTCCC, the YouTube cross channel challenge there, and make something pretty. All right, I'm your buddy, I'm your friend, I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy, I'm your friend, I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side.